Hey guys, it's Donald here. I just finished the ARD symposium at Washington DC. During the symposium, I want to make a video called One Word video. I asked a lot of people give me one word inspired them the most in floral industry. Some of the people you already know who they are, but some people you don't know. But it's good to know what inspired them. Let's do this.
My word is possibility.
What inspires me is beautiful roses. They're my favorite flower.
What inspires me is my imagination.
Nature. Collaboration.
Passion.
Community.
One word that inspires us most is sharing.
What inspires me the most is art.
Inspires me the most is energy.
Freedom.
What inspires me the most? Nature.
Community.
My flower family inspires me the most.
Oh, I think that what inspires me the most is seeing other people sharing ideas.
Nature.
What inspires me the most is color.
The word that most inspires me is flowering.
The word that inspires me is nature.
The word that inspires me the most is cultivate.
Beauty.
Perfection is one of my favorite words.
Color. Friends.
The word that inspires me the most is love.
Flower.
The word that inspires me is people.
If I only had one word to summon up all that's exciting about Symposium, I would say art.
The word that inspires me the most is friendship.
What inspires me is passion.
Nature.
I'm inspired by sharing.
The word that inspires me the most is beautiful. When I see something beautiful, it inspires me.
I think probably nature inspires me most.
Oh, one of the things that inspires me the most is travel.
What inspires me the most is technique.
Hey, I'm Sandy Schreck, and my word that inspires me is fabulous.
So the word that inspires me most is color.
Now is the word?
Architecture.
Nature. Vision. What inspires me the most is friendship.
My inspiration has got to be the one word, emotion.
Friendships.
I'm inspired by texture.
The word that inspires me the most is architecture.
Flowers.
Music inspires me to design.
Travel.
The one word that has inspired me the most is inspiration.
Expression, because expressing your genuine self is the best art form.
My flower word is connect. We intersect our stems, we intersect our lives, we connect.
AIFT and the floral design industry, the thing that most inspires me is balance.
Texture.
What inspires me the most is the connections that I make.
One of the things that inspires me the most is mourning.
I'm inspired by smiles.
Whiskey.
Happiness, because flowers make people happy.
Family.
People.
God is my source of inspiration.